What is asset protection and why is it so important? Well, asset protection, if we cut it down to the bare minimum, here's what it is. You want to control as much as possible and own nothing. What does that mean? Okay, so there are legal mechanisms, and I'm sure the people will come for me in the comments about IRS regulations and things like this. We're not here to avoid one IRS regulation. Let me say that again. We are not here to avoid one IRS regulation. We don't mess with the IRS. I don't want them on me or my clients. And one of the first things we tell all of our asset protection clients is the two entities that are always going to know everything about everything that you do is your bank and the IRS. We're not here to lie to either one. We're not here to shield anything from either of those entities. But those entities have confidentiality and privacy privileges that the outside world doesn't have. Well, what does that mean? Just because you disclose information to the IRS doesn't mean that the outside world can get access to that information. And the same about your bank. What you provide to your bank and ownership records and KYC documents, which is know your customer and the real individual behind the bank account, that's not otherwise disclosed to the public. Those are not public records. Why do we want to have the ownership chain hidden in public records? It's just this simple. If you're in a car accident and someone runs a search on you and they come up with 15 different companies and 15 different assets, guess who's more of a target? You or someone that's got nothing in public records? Now, here's the thing. Yes, I am a lawyer and I understand that my profession, yes, the profession that I love, is one of the main reasons why the need for asset protection exists. I didn't create the system. I didn't create litigation. I didn't create personal injury law. I didn't lobby Congress. I didn't lobby the state governments to make these tort claims so boundless and well into the multi-millions of dollars. And catch me offline and you'll get my personal take on all of that. But this is the system we're here in. This is the system we have in the United States. This is the system where it is, or the country anyways, where it is the most litigious, the most litigation in the world. Yes, this is a country of incredible opportunities, and someone with next to nothing can build themselves into an unbelievable fortune. Why would you risk it all and not start building on a proper foundation of asset protection? There is nothing wrong and everything right about doing that.